Hello friend, today we are going to create our first Angular project. For that, first you need to install Node.js. Just search Node.js download and hit enter and just go to the first link download and just find your machine installer and click on download. For example, just click on Windows installer. If you have Windows, if you have Mac, just click on this, and if you have Linux, just find for Linux. After download, you need to just click next, and it will automatically install in your machine. And after that, just close your all windows and search for cmd and hit enter. And after that, just use npm install hyphen g angu at the rate angular slash CLI and hit enter. It will start downloading soon. After installing Angular, just check for the version. Let's say ng version and hit enter. You see this type of windows is appear, and here we have Angular 14.2.6 and node version, and then we have package manager and Windows machine. Okay, this is all the detail you need to know. And after that, we create our first Angular project. Just type ng, then new. After that, provide the name. For example, test1 and hit enter. It would ask some question. Would you like to add routing? For this video, I'm just use and no. And after that, if you want to choose another kind of CSS, you can use I just click by default, hit enter. It will start creating our first Angular project. After creating our project, we have to run our project. We can use ng serve command to run our project. For that, first we have to browse our project. We just simply use here and just type cmd and hit enter. It will open our directory that we using currently, and then we use to run our first project ng serve command. Just press enter. It will take some time, and after that our project is running. You can see our project is successfully run, and after that we can open our browser and just type localhost 422, which is the by default location of Angular project. We can type localhost, and here I change 4200 and hit enter. This is the port of Angular project. Okay, it start, it takes some time. This is our first project. This is by default Angular provide you template. You can change, and if you want to create for your own, just remove the thing which we will discuss in future video. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend. and bye bye.